po narating nyo sa gabing ito. And again, we would like to request yung mga kapamilya po natin, paupo na po tayo because in a short while, we will have the Glorious of our final evening prizes. And again, bukas po, makakasama din po natin yung iba't ibang banda. And of course, we will bring you the Signing And again, we would like to request yung mga nandito po. Makakunan po tayo at bumunutin na po ating final prize on instant round of draw.
Kapamilya, nandyan pa ba kayo? Kapamilya, nandyan pa ba kayo?
Andyan pa ba kayo, kapamilya?
At bago yan, sasalamatan mo natin ating sponsor to this Kalimutan 2025.
Yes, partner.
Okay, Kalimutan Gold Center, SK Kalimutan Foundation Incorporated, Kamanayan Foundation,